You all right? I'm doing all right, thanks. Nice to meet you. Sorry to keep you waiting. No worries at all. Thanks for your time. I'm just getting ready. I'll be there in a minute. Let's get going. Could you help me, please? I'd really appreciate it. That's very kind of you. Excuse me, please. Do you mind if I sit here? Not at all. I'll get back to you shortly. Let's discuss this later. That sounds reasonable. I'm afraid I disagree. I see your point. Let's find a solution. Could you clarify that? Just to confirm. Thanks for letting me know. I'll take care of it. Leave it with me. I'll keep you posted. We're running a bit late. Let's reschedule. That works for me. Fancy a cuppa? I'm absolutely knackered. I need a proper rest. What have you been up to? Not much, really. Same as usual. Shall we head out? I'm easy. You decide. It's up to you. I don't mind. Whatever works. That's a shame. Never mind. These things happen. I'm over the moon. That made my day. I'm really pleased. It's not my cup of tea. I'm not keen on it. I'll give it a miss. That's a bit pricey. It's good value for money. Worth every penny. Fair enough. That makes sense. I get what you mean. Let's call it a day. Time to wrap up. See you tomorrow. I'll manage. I can handle it. No problem at all. I'm not sure about that. I'll think it over. Let me sleep on it. That depends. It varies. Hard to say. I couldn't agree more. Exactly. You're absolutely right. I beg your pardon? Could you say that again? I didn't quite catch that. I'll pop out for a bit. Back in a moment. Won't be long. I'm running a bit behind. Traffic's awful. Sorry about that. That'll do. Good enough. Job done. I'll bear that in mind. That's good to know. Thanks for the heads up. Practice makes perfect. Keep at it. You're doing great.